In this video we will learn how to approve objective or KPI request in performance module in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the performance module on top navigation bar. So here you can see performance approval form. The grid will show the request details. Click on Detail pop-up to view the requested entries. The user can maximize to see the details. Either approve or reject the request from pop-up. Else same provision is given in action. Pop-up will be visible, enter comments, then click on Approve. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.